Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, I can't wait. If you've never joined me before, my name is Jennifer. I'd love it if you subscribed. So today I'm going to do an unboxing, the first time that I've been asked to kind of just be genuine and authentic about their teas. So from what I got, just looking at their things, it's different teas. Some were for skinny, some were for energy, some were for greens. And so they said I could pick the type and what kind of tumbler. How cool is that? I'm going to go ahead and unbox this. Don't ever get scammed into buying a product for them to then, for you to then collaborate with them. Because if they really want you to collaborate with them, you don't have to buy anything. So this one actually said, "Hi Jennifer, I noticed you on Instagram and that you really interact with your followers and also your subscribers." So that's how they reached out to me. So I'm glad I reached back out to her. Her name's Christy from the company. It's T-Me. Reached out to me on Instagram, and I didn't really pay attention for the first week because I'd been scammed before. But you never have to buy the product. So I just learned the hard way. I forget which one it was, but it was a clothing company, and I bought I think 3 or 2 items of clothing. They weren't that expensive. They were super cute, but I realized from Brie Elise, a little piece of Brie Elise, that really whenever you are asked to collaborate as an influencer, you shouldn't have to pay for the product first. Alright, so I got the box open, get the link, and I'm supposed to include the first 3 minutes of the video, which I probably already went over. So if I did, I'm going to have to edit it. Okay, your discount code will be SUE20. So you would go to www.teameblends.com/discount/SUE20, SU20, because of my last name. So that's how it looks. T-Me. Opening. I don't know how this is going to be, but I think I'm going to do a couple of, I'm supposed to do another follow-up video in a month to kind of see how I'm feeling and stuff on it. That's how it goes. Okay. So this looks like this is a tumbler, and it has directions on how to make the tea. Interesting. All right. So the tumbler. I picked the greens because I don't get enough greens in my diet, and I really want to be, regular and also be healthy. Green superfood blend. Has matcha. Oh, Charles, California matcha. Oh my gosh. Carlo, remember you said, I think that the type of ice cream you're going to like is green. You were right. This is so funny because he likes matcha. Well, he thought maybe I'd like matcha ice cream. Matcha, spirulina, wheatgrass. It's a dietary supplement. That's how it looks. So we'll just try it out and just see how it goes. It's 16 superfood ingredients, 100% plant-based, vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, dairy, soy-free. From what the reviews said, that some girls said, the taste was not very good, but I got used to it and they had more energy. So we'll try it and I'll let you know. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to do I'm supposed to do a cute selfie on Instagram. And there's certain dates I'm supposed to do these things on. So if you're ready to use this product, let me know. Let's see. They already sent me an email today that said, "Hey, hi Jennifer, I see that the package was delivered. Did everything get to you safely? I would love for you to try out the products over the next few days or so. Let me know how these dates work for you." So on March 11th, I'm supposed to do my first Instagram feed post. On March 12th, I'm supposed to upload a YouTube inclusion video introducing the product. And a month from now, April 10th, on YouTube, I'm supposed to do results and feedback. So, sounds pretty good. And at the top of this description box, I'm supposed to say Team T-Me Blends, hashtag Team-Me Partner, 20% code SUE20. Okay, so I'll let you know, and then I'll see you again in my next video.